Hello, pupils. Welcome to class. Today in science, we'll be learning about animal habitats. All living things need a place to live. Yes, like you need a place to live, okay? All living things also need a place to live. A place, not an ordinary place, but a place that is comfortable, a place with plenty food, and a place that is safe for them to live in. So, what is a habitat? A habitat is a place where animal or plant live, where plants and or animal live. And in this habitat provides the animal with food, with air, with water, and with comfort. Can I take that again? A habitat provides the animal with food they eat, the air they breathe, the water they drink, and also comfort. Comfort is when you are comfortable and you are safe in the environment where you live. So the question is, do all animals live together in the same place? The answer is no. Okay? Different animals with different habitats. Animals have different habitats they live in. Examples of these habitats are desert, polar, aquatic, rainforest, woodland or forest, and grassland. Can I say that again? Desert, polar, aquatic, rainforest, woodland or forest, and grassland. For the purpose of this topic for today, we'll be focusing on desert habitat. What is a desert habitat? A desert habitat is a very dry land. It is very dry. And we can say that it is the driest place on earth. Very dry. It is the driest place on earth. And it does not have much rain. So we can say that the reason why it is so dry is because it doesn't have much rain. And another interesting fact about desert is deserts are so hot during the day and cold in the night. Let me say that again. Deserts are hot during the day and cold in the night. Examples of animals that lives in deserts are camel, vulture, scorpion, ostrich, and so on. This etc means and so on. Okay, this is a picture of a desert. Can you see how dry it is? So dry. So dry. And this is also a picture of a desert. Can you see? Even the trees are so dry because they don't have much rain. So dry. So desert deserts are known to be dry. Now look at this. Look at the camel in the desert. Can you see the camel in the desert? Yes. That is where they live. And they are so comfortable in that environment because they see the place as a very safe place. They see the place as a very comfortable place for them to live in. And look at the scorpion. Wow, this is a dangerous animal, very dangerous. Dangerous, and they also live in the desert because the place is safe for them. Now let's move to the next one. We have the rainforest habitat. The rainforest habitat. Rainforest habitat is wet and warm. Remember that the desert is dry and the opposite of wet is dry. Okay, so but the rainforest is wet and warm. And millions of different tall trees and plants can be found there. We have millions of different tall trees and plants in the rainforest habitat. And like I said, rainforest habitats are wet and warm. Also, we can see some insects in the rainforest habitats. Some rainforest, some insects live in the rainforest habitat. Rainforest habitats are called rainforest. Why? Because it gets lots and lots and lots of rain every year. They have lots of rain every year, and that helps the plants to grow so tall, beautiful, greenish, and lovely. So because of the rain that it gets every year, it helps the plants to grow. So it's called rainforest because it gets lots of rain every year. Now look at the rainforest. You can see that it is so green. It is it's looking so fresh. It's looking so fresh, yes, because you can see the leaves are green because it gets lots of rain. You can see this is also an example of a rainforest. It's usually warm, it's usually wet. Obviously, you can see the trees are tall and you can see the leaves are green as well. So this is a rainforest. So examples of animals and insects found in the rainforest are, you can see the gorilla there, you can see the parrot, you can see the anaconda, you can see the bugs, you can see the spider in the rainforest habitat. Can you see the gorilla in the rainforest? You can see the rainforest. You can see the trees, the tall trees there, and you can see the leaves are green. Okay? And look at the anaconda. Okay? This is the anaconda in the rainforest. And the last type of habitat that we're going to be talking about for today is the grassland habitats. The grassland habitats, these are wide open. They are wide open areas where grass and flowers grow. There is more rain here than in the desert. Yes, the desert are so dry, but in grassland you still have more rain than in the deserts. Examples of grassland animals are elephant, elephant, hippopotamus, bison, zebra, and so on and so forth. Remember I said that the grassland habitat have more rain. They have more rain than the desert, okay? And they have more rain, and you can see grasses and flowers in the grassland habitat. So, can you see the grassland habitat? Yes. This is an example of a grassland habitat. And look at it. We said examples. Look at the elephants in the grassland habitat. This looks dry, but not as it is with the deserts, okay? Because here they have what? More rain than in the desert. But the rain is not as it is with the rainforest habitat. This one looks so green, but this one, which is the grassland, is not as green as it is with the rainforest, because this one doesn't have the kind of rain that falls in the rainforest every year. Okay, so this one is also not that dry, but it has more rain than the desert. Okay, so you can see more grass and flowers in the what, in the grassland habitat. So you can see the elephant here, and you can see the bison, and this is like an American buffalo. You can see them in the grassland habitat. Okay, so make sure you watch this video like twice so that you can understand the concepts. Okay, take good care of yourself. Bye.